继日本漫画家龙树亮梦见的7月5号末日预言后，虽然没有什么大事的发生，但各地还是有许多地震现象出现。它们究竟会带来什么样的灾害呢 ？Earthquake in Taiwan, earthquakes are a common natural disaster. Tsunami, the 311 tsunami is still vividly remembered in people's mind. Collapse. After the severe earthquake, many houses collapsed. Landslide. A landslide blocked the road to the mountain. Financial damage. The most tragic consequences were loss of lives and financial damage.